welcome back to my channel Inspired Birdie. So I have a planner giveaway here today. So this is a very quick video. I've mentioned this in a few of my hauls that I've done recently that I do have some giveaways. It's really just my way of saying thank you to all of my subscribers and those who enjoy following me, and I wanted to share some cool things that I was able to pick up, and they're not huge or super costly or anything like that, but they are little things that I can give away to you. So today is around a planner. So you can see the planner kit right here. This is the Heidi Swap planner kit, which is from Michaels. So there's many different versions of this type of planner that you can get. This is the one that I specifically got. I thought it was just so beautiful and gorgeous with the white and gold. It's a 144 kit, so you get 144 different pieces in this kit, and I will open it up to show you exactly what is included in it. So let's get started on that, and stay tuned to the end of this video when I'll tell you how you can qualify to win this. So to get started, if you take a look here, it shows what the kit includes. It says one washi roll, it says 142 stickers, and you get the album as well, which you can see right here through the box itself. It says make it happen. It's a white planner with a bunch of beautiful gold glitter all over it. So opening it up, the Heidi Swap planner is a very simple planner. So this is a great planner to carry around in your purse because it really isn't heavy whatsoever. It's not like the planners that you see me haul around, so the Happy Planner and stuff like that. So really great size to carry around in your purse or your backpack or wherever. So here is the washi tape that you get with the planner to decorate the inside of it. I was also just showing you some of the stickers that are included. Those two can be used to decorate the inside of the planner. Here's the thickness of it. So as you can see, it really isn't a thick planner at all. So it's not going to be bulky to carry around. So I'll quickly show you the inside. It's really beautiful with the pink and the gold foil floral. Very, very beautiful. All of the pages are the same and they are unlabeled, which is great. So you can use it whenever you want to use it. It's not going to be specific to any month or day. You can set that all up yourself. So here's the week of. You can see you have little square boxes. So a good amount of room to write down different things that you have, appointments or homework or, different plans and stuff like that. So all of the pages are the same throughout the entire planner, as you can see here. So that's the planner itself. I just love the gold glitter. And then here are some of the additional stickers that you get as well that you can use to decorate the inside. So a lot of fun, different stickers, birthdays, vacation, party, arrows. And then you get some more glitter stickers here as well. I love the arrows that you get and just the whole theme of it. Gold and pink and white with a little bit of black accent. So more fun stickers that you can use to decorate the inside. And then here are the monthly ones that you can use to decorate the monthly calendar. Super cute. Love the gold. So that is what the kit entails. So for this giveaway, guys, I'm going to leave all of the details below. So please take a look below. It'll include how long the giveaway is open and closed for. It'll also include who is eligible. It'll also include what the rules are and what you need to do to qualify to be in this giveaway. I am also going to ask that everybody who's entering the giveaway also leaves a comment, and the comment that I'm looking for will be listed below. It is going to be as simple as I want to know what your favorite planner is. So leave me a comment telling me what your favorite planner is. All right, good luck to you all. Thanks so much for watching. Love and peace to you all. Bye.